So this is what I got for Christmas, 2024, just went. And yeah, this is what I got for Christmas. So I got this beautiful, beautiful art piece from my boyfriend. Black cat and the Cinco. Wash your paws. Now this is beautiful. I just don't know where to put it. I got it from my boyfriend. As you may know, I love black cats. I have one and she is my baby, and I can't wait to use this and put it somewhere. I just need to find the right place, you know. So I have that. So in this bag I got a lovely card from my boyfriend's dad, and I got a gift card for 30 quid for Boots. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go get myself a hairdryer, I think, or some makeup at least. So this is beautiful. So this is a weighted shoulder. So you put it on your shoulders like that, and you put it in the microwave and heats up, and it's just so relaxing, you know. It's just nice to have something heavy on your shoulders. And that sounds really weird, but it's very relaxing, I think, and it's lovely. So I got a little bag to put that in. So it's a microwavable shoulder bag, or shoulders heat. You know, like you can get one for your stomach, and this one's for your shoulders. I love. Right, my boyfriend got me this. So this is a retro clock. You push up. So wherever the red hand is your alarm, and then it goes off in the morning, and you just hit that button down, and voila! Simple, easy, and effective, and it glows in the dark as well. So I love it. So this is wonderful. Oh, I got a new apron. Now it's very Christmassy, but it's lovely. There we go. Oh, sorry, it's got ruffles at the bottom. There we go. So it wraps around you like a dress, and it's all ruffly, and then that goes around the top. So it is very stripy, Christmassy, beautiful, vintage looking kind of apron, which I love. I got a pack of Lipsils, which I love. My favorite one I got the coconut. Oh, I love the coconut one. It smells so good. I got a beautiful mug I'm gonna sit and read with. So it's got pretty little green flowers on it, which is very nice, and it holds very comfortably in your hand. It's quite, you know, big. Well, you know, quite thick. So it's very nice. But my boyfriend got me this. So, Anne of Green Gables, beginning of. Now, Netflix did a series of it called Anne with an E, and they stopped, what, 2 seasons in. So yeah, but this is a complete collection, and I'm so excited to read. And look at the pretty the art is. It's beautiful. I'm excited to read. And then my law got me this. So it's a Stitch fluffy bag with Stitch socks, different pairs of socks, a compact of Stitch, and Stitch hair clips and hair bubbles and other little cute things. So that is really nice. But look how cute it is with all the Stitch things. So yeah, I've got all that to put away. And then my boyfriend got me this thing. So this is a stamp. It specifically says from the Library of Emma, and you put your book in there and stamp it, and you get like, it's all pretty in gold. So yeah, I can't wait to use that when I figure out how. So my favorite books I can stamp on, you know, Beyond Librarian. And then I got a little gel hand warmer because I am always cold. I got some very nice smelling soap that smells of lemon and mandarin, so that's lovely. The packaging. I can't wait to use this. So this is the Hannibal book. If you haven't seen the TV series, check it out. Hannibal. It's only 3 seasons. It's really, really, really good. You know, in it he makes fancy food and it's all proper with fish and all this stuff. And this book tells you how to make it. All the beautiful dishes. Of course, the scene where he makes the breakfast and stuff like that tells you what you need. How to make a fancy flan. Like, it's got pictures and like tells you how to make a fancy meal, and there's drawings. So you can just do lovely meals as in the TV show. Now, I'm not a fancy person, but you know, I'll have a go. I know for a fact it's not gonna look like this, but I'm willing to have a go because it looks really, really good. So yeah, so this is I'm gonna call my fancy food book. I bought this to myself. Well, my mum gave me money, so I bought this to myself. How to be a good wife. Don't neglect the powerful weapon yet you possess in the sharp of a little flattery. So yeah, so like 2 wives, how to dress, how to look after kids, how to like look all good, you know, out and about and stuff like that. So it's a small little cute book of things. I got this, the 1950s home. So this one tells me what the home looked like in the 1950s, the decor furniture, what the house layout was, all beautiful things that they did in the 1950s. So I'm looking forward to reading that. Oh, this is amazing. So this is timeless, the century of iconic looks. So literally this is from the 1930s straight through to the I'm just trying to think. 80s, straight through to the 80s, and it tells you like what makeup they used, what colors, how to do your hair, like get the 60s hair, how to do your makeup, what colors you used, how to do like Audrey Hepburn's hair in a movie, or glamorous 1950s models. Trying to think. There's the Monroe. You can do her hair, or like you can do 1940s updo. Like, it tells you all the things it used, what to use, what color, how to set your hair, and which way is which. And I think that's beautiful. Like, look at this. If I could do that, it'd be amazing. But somehow I don't think I'm that skilled. But even if I was, like, it's amazing. This book, with all its tips and tricks and things to do. I'm super excited to get to read this and everything else, and I thank you for watching. So this is what I got for Christmas. Let me know what you got for Christmas. Did you have a nice Christmas? And thank you very much.